the hidden cost of a dirty air fryer. How maintenance impacts your indoor air quality air fryers have revolutionized modern kitchens, offering a way to achieve a satisfying crunch with a fraction of the oil used in traditional frying. For many, they are a cornerstone of a health-conscious lifestyle. However, recent research suggests that the health benefits of this appliance may be diminished by a simple oversight: neglecting to deep clean the unit. The Science of Cooking Emissions, a study conducted by the University of Birmingham, has shed light on what happens in the air when we cook. Researchers compared the emissions from air frying against traditional shallow and deep fat frying, focusing on two specific pollutants: volatile organic compounds, VOCs, gases released when oils and fats break down under heat; ultrafine particles, UFPs, microscopic particles small enough to penetrate deep into the lungs and enter the bloodstream. The study confirmed that air frying is significantly safer than traditional methods, producing 10 to 100 times fewer emissions than deep fat frying. The dirty fryer effect. The real concern arises from how an appliance behaves over time. The researchers discovered a significant shift in air quality when testing an air fryer that had been used more than 70 times without a deep clean. Compared to a clean unit, the unmaintained air fryer released 23% more VOCs, more than double the amount of ultrafine particles. Why does this happen? As you cook, tiny droplets of oil splatter onto the heating element and interior walls, while food particles settle into crevices. When you next turn the machine on, you aren't just cooking your meal, you are recooking the accumulated residue. This process oxidizes old oils and aerosolizes trapped particles, which the air fryer's high-speed fan then efficiently distributes throughout your kitchen. Understanding the risks, while the study noted that even a dirty air fryer's emissions remained below UK government building regulations limits, it is important to understand why managing indoor air quality matters. The health implications of these pollutants are well documented. VOC exposure has been linked to respiratory symptoms, asthma, systemic inflammation, and increased cardiovascular risks. Ultrafine particles, UFPs, are particularly invasive. Because they bypass the body's natural clearance mechanisms, they can impact the respiratory, cardiovascular, and nervous systems. Practical steps for healthier air frying: you don't need to abandon your air fryer to stay safe. Instead, you can optimize your cooking environment by adopting a few proactive habits. Prioritize deep cleaning. Don't stop at the basket. Regularly clean the heating element, the interior walls, and any hard-to-reach crevices where grease accumulates. If you use the device frequently, aim for a deep clean at least once a month. Maintain routine hygiene. Wipe down the unit after it cools following each use. This prevents grease from hardening and making future cleaning more difficult. Improve ventilation. Always use your kitchen exhaust hood while cooking. Research indicates that range hoods can reduce UFP exposure by anywhere from 31% to 98%. Opening a window is also a highly effective supplement. Smart food choices. While still healthier than deep frying, high-fat foods like bacon or frozen onion rings produce higher emissions. Opting for lean proteins and vegetables will further minimize the chemical load in your kitchen. Choose maintainable models. When purchasing an appliance, look for designs with removable, dishwasher-safe parts and accessible interiors to ensure no residue is left behind. Conclusion: air fryers remain a superior choice for reducing oil consumption and improving dietary health. However, to truly protect your indoor air quality, you must treat the maintenance of the machine as importantly as the food you cook inside it.